Have you ever wondered which muscle groups are most attractive to women? Is it the biceps, the triceps, or maybe the six-pack? In fact, countless scientific studies have already dealt with this topic and found out which muscle groups contribute most to your overall attractiveness. Let's start with the fifth most popular muscle group, the shoulders. Not really surprising, right? Strong, big shoulders change the silhouette of your body dramatically. While broad shoulders are primarily a result of genetics, you can still influence them through strength training. When you want to achieve shoulder gains fast, you should train all three shoulder heads, the front delt, the side delt, and the rear delt. So destroy them from all sides. All three muscles should receive equal attention in your workout. One exercise that you should definitely do frequently if you want to get wider shoulders is lifting weights sideways. Lateral raises should be a part of every shoulder workout, but you don't forget the other two muscles if you want big and round shoulders. Moving on to number 4, the biceps. You might be wondering why the biceps isn't at number 1, right? After all, it's probably the most commonly trained muscle in the gym. Pump your biceps one more time and hit the club. Sounds familiar, doesn't it? The biceps isn't as important for your attractiveness as you might have thought. However, it is not completely unimportant. The biceps is definitely a symbol of strength. Think about it. If somebody wants to symbolize human strength, he usually shows the biceps. For example, in a chat conversation with the upper arm biceps emoji or the signature move of Popeye. Fortunately, the biceps is relatively easy to train. Do different types of bicep curls and it will grow rapidly. Number 3, abs. You knew that these are on the list, right? After all, which woman doesn't like an attractive six-pack? To get a six-pack, you have to train your abdominal muscles, do some sit-ups, crunches, and so on, and they will grow. But when it comes to making your abs visible, your diet is even more important than the workout. A six-pack only appears when you have very low body fat percentage of about 8 to 12%. It doesn't matter how big your abs are, they won't be visible if there's a big layer of fat over them. Let's move on to the second place, the glutes. Yes, no joke. Not only men, but also women find a well-shaped butt quite attractive. But you don't necessarily have to do typical butt exercises. Normal leg exercises like squats and lunges are perfect to grow your gluteal muscles. But which muscle group is now in first place? Is it the triceps, the chest, or maybe the back muscles? Actually, none of these. The most attractive muscles are the lateral abdominal muscles. On average, women find strong and visible lateral abdominal muscles even more attractive than the front abs. Sure, a six-pack is nice, but studies say that the muscle next to the six-pack muscles are even more important when it comes to attractivity. That's it for today. If you liked the video, be sure to share it with your friends. See you next time.